What's up, everybody? It's your favorite mentor, your one and only Forex hero. I go by the name of Ofentse Ledwaba, and today I'll be giving you some tips about the 4-hour time frame. I'll be showing you on the chart just for the things you should look out for and the things that you should avoid, and don't be caught on the wrong side of the trend. But without wasting much time, you know what to do. If you are new to this channel, click the like, click the subscribe, and click the notification bell so that you get notified every time I drop something massive. Let's go into the charts. I'm back, guys, and as I've explained, you see with the Euro AUD, it's moving right in our favor. But I'd like to show you guys something that you'll be able to understand, that will have uh, another entry. You see, I said we're gonna break and we broke, but then I don't have a retest on this level, so I'm expecting a retest. Let me use my feed, and remember I'm on 4 hour. I'm expecting my retest around this point, around this point. So let's remove the feed. Oops, feed gone. Yeah, so I'm expecting something to come back here. Once it comes back here, that's when I go harder. I scale in because I have orders running here. So here I'll be adding more trades, because I know that from here there's no way. We have to push further to the downside. So now this is my setup, how it's looking. This is on the 4 hour on Euro AUD. I also want to show you something that is very much powerful using the 4 hour. When the 4 hour closes, the chances of the market reversing are very slim, because in most cases a 4 hour is a very big candle and it shows the momentum. You can clearly see the momentum. Always give yourself, in a 4 hour candle you have 4 1 hour candles, so you can see that the 4 hour is stronger. Yes, you cannot use the daily, as it's bigger, it's 24 1 hour candles. So I'll prefer using your much confirmed, your most trusted one, as the 4 hour, the median one, because it's in the middle of 1 hour and daily, and you execute on daily. You start analyzing from daily. You execute on the 1 hour, sorry, and you start analyzing from the daily time frame. So as you can see, what is happening here, this 4 hour is showing you that once it breaks, look at this strong momentum. Once it breaks, the chances of it reversing further are very slim. Look, even if it reversed up to this point, it didn't reverse to this point. You understand? That just shows the stronger momentum when it broke. But you will win this trade because you would have took this trade on 1 hour time frame. You took this trade on 1 hour time frame, and 1 hour entry would have given you an entry right above here. So you can see you'll be holding profit. So now let's look at other 4 hour chart patterns. You can see, okay, let's go to what time frame, what pair can I choose? Okay, let's go to gold. Yes, let's go to gold. It will make much more sense because this one is very volatile, and once it confirms, it's gone. It's gone. Look at this 4 hour candle, 4 hour candle. So knowing, you can say This is your pattern. Never go with a chart pattern that is not visible on 4 hour. You'll be caught on the wrong side, because this one shows the big momentum, you can see. And then the reverse here, how would we have seen it? Remember, we use this to assist us to get the chart pattern, but our entries will be on 1 hour. And also, once you put your entries, you can be able to manage your trades with 4 hour as well. You can see we reached our target. So sometimes the entry might look bigger on H4, but always remember, risk well. Don't be doing a margin call or putting all your faith in one trade. So you can see I'm on one 4 hour. So I can see on the 4 hour time frame, you see significant zone, it comes up to here. You can see comes up to here. You see, so we have a chance of reversing back to the downside. But look at what we've been having: impulse, correction, impulse. It's very much clear, no confusion, not too many candles. Look how it moves. Okay, impulse, correction, impulse, correction, impulse, then reverse, boom, then started again to create a higher, then we drop. So now I can see that we are trying to create a higher lower than this one. So this is what I can see that it's trying to develop. Let's see, this is what I'm seeing. Failure to break here, because for us to buy or buy at the top, because we are at the resistance. So this is a reason for us to buy. So let me remove this one. This is a reason for me to buy, but a failure to break here, it's a reason for me to sell, something like this. So this is what I can see happening. Because of this move, we have an impulse, so this is a correction. As you know, when you have a impulse from the top, this is a correction, expecting something to continue. So let's go to 1 hour, give it much more clarity. Yes, indeed, we are looking at selling the gold. I'm looking at selling the gold, but I want the market to give me a little bit something like this, to push a little bit up before we push to the downside. And I'll push my analysis in this manner. Yeah, something like this. So this is what I'm expecting to happen. Yeah, this is what I'm expecting to happen. A little bit of push to take out the buyers, people who think it's going up, and then I'll go down with it. So this is what I'm looking for now. What I'm looking for on gold. So with gold, we are done buying it. Now I'm looking at selling it. Always follow the market. Don't be pressuring the market or forcing the market to go into your direction. So with this 4 hour, you'll be able to understand the movements that you can take, and it minimizes the trial error, or seeing too many candles with your naked eye. Sometimes can be a little bit disturbing as a beginner, but once you get used to it, it becomes quicker. So you can see we have pattern within a pattern, you understand? So pattern outside. So, and remember this is on 4 hour. So with the 4 hour, hence I say the magic happens when you get a clear confirmation, when the candle closes. Once the candle closes, you are at most be winning 90 to 95% of the trades that you take. Look here, if you could have sold here and said, okay, fine, I'm gonna put my stop loss above this high of this 4 hour. Look, just pushed a little bit, then it pushed further down and went all the way. The power of 4 hour. Look, when it breaks, it closes confirmed. If it breaks and then comes back, then it's not your trade. Remember, you're not gonna win all the trades. Look at this one. You see, having a buy stop here, once it pushed, you are triggered, you are in, and then this one never experienced drawdown. It just pushed, then went all the way. So learn to understand, get confirmed close of the candle much more on 4 hour than on smaller time frame. So I'm glad I could share this secret with you. Apply it and become a profitable trader. Make sure you click the like, subscribe, and share with your friends and family. It's your favorite mentor, your one and only Forex hero. Catch me in the next video. As always, peace.